g'day. Just actually an update on the tiny house. I'm just up on the roof at the moment. I thought I would got some primer here. So I noticed some of these tech screws are like already a bit rusty. So just thought a bit of preventative maintenance. I'll just go around and give them a dab of paint. That'll make it last heaps longer, but apart from that, happy with this roof. I was just going around checking all the tech screws, so she's all screwed off good now. Actually, we haven't been doing any work on this house for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. We just took a break from it because the budget was getting a bit low and getting tired of always coming out here. So actually today, I'll just go down here. Whoops. We don't have any of the carpenters or builders here, but we've got the electricians here, so I'll show you what they're up to. Well, we only had this temporary power source, which was temporary. So the electricians are working on getting the main source. So this is the power pole. They're still putting it together. That's going to be the main meter box, and it's going to have a circuit breaker right next to it. And obviously that's where the main power will come in. So they're going to concrete that in today. And they're actually just installing the fuse box at the moment. Some pictures. That's going to be the main circuit breaker, and then everything will feed out. And then in the Philippines they just chisel out a concave into the wall and then run conduit in the wire. So this is the work they've been doing. Gonna have an outlet here, one there, one up there. When they're finished, where's those outlet boxes? Is there? And these are the outlet boxes. They're just sliding like that. You can see like this. And we're just gonna have pretty basic, half a dozen power points, half a dozen lights, and a couple switches. I'm putting in some extra cords and stuff for the future in case we ever get a 12 volt or solar, but for now just 240. I think that's the update what we've got at the moment. Actually, we got some plumbers on site today. I'm just walking. I just went and got this pipe for them, and they're sinking a pipe down into the ground so we can hopefully get water up to the house. Anyway, I'm just walking down to see what they're up to. Maybe you watched the old videos, there's actually a little creek here, but we can't put the pump in the creek, so their plan is to sink this pipe just next to it. Hopefully it works. That's how they do. It's hard work.
Hard work.
That's how you sink it down. My Western mindset thought they had machine, but they're just manually driving this pipe down by hand. Oh, so hot before. Now it's raining. Okay. Well, that's how they do it in the Philippines, just drive it down by hand. I thought they were going to use like a drill. Let's see, I'll pop back later. It's going to be a huge milestone to get that water in. So I have to run away from the house down to there for the pump. And I'm just trying to get all the fittings and parts for them. Hopefully this week. Damn it, it's raining. This is the pump we got. It's just a little 1 horsepower. Hopefully it reaches up here. Oh my goodness, the rain's pouring down. That's probably it for today. It's pouring down today. I don't think we're gonna get any more work done today. Look at that, it's so heavy to be so careful. You can only just see the motorbikes. Visibility is so poor. Watch out for the Truscos and motorbikes. Let's see if I show you how heavy it is. I wanted to remember the cost of my tubular. Okay, I actually got a few extra bits of steel because I'm not sure what's going to go on today, so I wanted to be prepared because it's actually pretty hard to get stuff to site. And this is the PVC pipe that'll go down into the well, so there's nothing holding us back now. Hopefully get water. Actually, to be honest, with that 1,000-litre rainwater tank I bought, seems to rain here like every 3 or 4 days, and when it rains so hard. I think one rain would fill that tank in 10 minutes, so you could probably live off the rainwater, especially if you had a bigger tank. But yeah, there is periods of the year where it goes dry, so it's going to be definitely nice to know that that bore's there, or deep well, whatever you call it. There's no water. Pretty hard living. And talking about water, it was raining so hard, look what it done to the driveway. Starting to eat it out. There was coconuts rolling down here yesterday. So I got the electrician here today as well, so hopefully he's almost finished. And then God, that's normal Philippine workers. Always got their lunch on the cook. You can't really see it. Maybe, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I put a little mark on the steel and was watching them as he's bashing it, and he's getting about, every time he does like say 10 hits, he's going down about 3 centimeters. I'd have been at that all day. They're halfway now, so 3 meters down. I think 6 meters they should hit the water, but yeah, we'll see you tonight, maybe tomorrow. seems like a hard way to do it, but they are gaining ground. They're 4.5 meters deep now. There's a 6 meter post with a 1.5 sticking up. I think that's taken them like 3 hours, 4 hours. It's a contract price. They charged me 10,000 peso to put that in. So, I think they deserve it. It's a hard job. That was my help for the day. I just paint this 2-inch bits of pipe, which will be the poles that run the wire down to the pump. So let them dry and hopefully put them in the ground tomorrow. And maybe we can try and get some water. Ah, good.